Hi, I'm Kenna, 18 years old, enthusiastic and idealist person. No boyfriend since birth. Sana dumating na yung Prince Charming ng buhay ko! Aray, ang sakit! Nahihilo ko.
Tabi. Tumawag kayo ng ambulansya. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Ayos ka lang ba? Uy!
Sino to? Ang gwapo! Wait, siya na ba ang Prince Charming ng buhay ko? Or Knight in Shining Armor na nagligtas ng buhay ko? Teka, ano kayang pangalan niya? Dr. Gabriel Benavista. I need to see him again. Ganito pala sa ospital. Maingay, madaming pasyente, at magulo. Pero mas na-appreciate ko na ngayon ng profession ng mga doctor at ng mga nurse. Because even though it's a tiring job, they're still prioritizing the life of the people. Gusto ko rin maging katulad nila. I want to save lives, as many as I can.
So true, funny how it seems, always in time, but never in line for dreams. Head over heels, went toe to toe. This is the sound of my soul.
Konting na lang, magiging registered nurse na ako. Kahit gaano kahirap tong kurso na to, ipupurso ko to. Kasi, if I become a nurse, maybe I can meet him again. Maybe I can help people like he helped me. One day, I want to be as brave as him. Ito na yun. Kenna Salvador, registered nurse. I will do my best. This is my first day at work. Kaya ko to.
You! Doc Gabriel! It's been a long time! Naging nurse ako dahil sa'yo. Well, this past 5 years, this whole time, I've been in love with you.
Sino ka? I lost you. Who are you?
Well, 5 years ago, you saved my life. Wait, you don't remember? Bakit ako? Ano ba Ito namin nagbalag ko lang sa future. Pero mga tama.
Ay, Kayla! Bago ka lang na. Ano pinagsasabi mo mahal mo? Have you lost your mind? Know your place? Hey, Kayla, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Hindi niya talaga ako nakilala. Was I that forgettable?
You were harsh back there, Gabriel. Baka naman mag-resign na yung bagong nurse dahil sa ginawa mo. Marco, I am not here to babysit unemotionally. Hindi niya kayang handle yung pressure. She doesn't belong here. Pero di ba naging nurse siya nang dahil sa'yo? Oh, what a charming hero you are. People fall in love for a wrong reason. I don't need more complications.
Everyone listen. This hospital doesn't tolerate any errors or emotional drama. Understood?
Yes po.
Good. Now, each of you will be assigned to doctors during your first week. Salvador, you will be assigned to Dr. Gabriel.
Kaya mo to, Kena.
Yubit, you're with me. Don't slow me down. Alright?
Yes, Doc.
Come with me. If you're going to follow me, try not to crush into me.
Yes, Doc. Roger. Understood.
Hello, Ella. Yes, can I want to record them? Yes, sir. Check out the wrong bro. Ella, inhale. Exhale. Isa pa, isa pa. Inhale. Exhale.
Kumusta naman yung anak ko, Dok?
Ayos lang po siya. Nurse ka na. His vitals are good and just make sure that her temperature doesn't spike again. Sir, pwede po makita mo po sa ulit?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Hello. I'm Nurse Kenna. Kumusta ka?
I feel fine. I think you're the one who needs medicine.
Huh? Bakit ako?
Because you look like I'm sick.
No, actually, I'm perfectly healthy.
I saw you looking at Rosita like right there.
Bromsilla?
sila?
Ella, stop it.
Yes, that's your superhero name. You don't smile. You just stood there and heal people.
Oh, I like that, Doc. That suits you.
Nurse,
Yes?
nahihila po ako.
Ella?
What happened?
I was losing my consciousness. She's getting better now, Doc.
Good call, nurse ka na.
Nakilala kita sa di ko inaasahang pagkakataon.
Nakakabigla, para bang sinadya at tinakda ng panahon.
Kaya na naman yun yung beat, habol ng habol kay Doc. Nakakahiya, hindi nga ako I'm not here for love anymore. Andito ako para magtrabaho, hindi na para maghabol.
We're late delivering those charts.
With all due respect, Doc, I'm on time.
Don't get too confident just because you handle one patient well.
Well, I'm confident because I trained and I care.
Emergency! Emergency! Nurse Paula, hanap ko si Doc Gabriel! Hanapin niyo si Doc Gabriel! Doc, emergency, Doc! What happened?
Doc! Doc! We're losing her!
Start compressions!
1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,002, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008,
Her pulse is dropping! Kaya faster!
1,012, 1,013, 1,014, 1,015, 1,016, 1,017, 1,018, 1,020, 1,020.
Why did you do that?
Because she needed help. At trabaho ko yun.
Maraming nurses yan. Bago ka lang. You shouldn't have risked yourself like that. What if you mess up? What if...
What if I became unforgettable this time? You saved my life once. At binago na ng buhay ko, ang mundo ko. Pero sa'yo, wala lang lahat ng yun. I chased the dream of a perfect hero. But you're not perfect. You're cold, you're rude, at lahat na lang ng tao, tinatawi mo papalayo.
You don't know anything about
Then
me.
let me!
Doc Gabriel, we need you inside. We'll talk later.
Naalala niya. Maybe he always did. Siguro nga mali talaga ako. Siguro wala talaga siyang pakialam.
You did well today, Nurse Kana.
Just doing my job, Doc.
Kana, you asked why I push people away. Five years ago, when I saved you,
Ano nangyari sa'yo? Ayos ka lang ba?
I was actually going through to the worst time of my life. I lost my fiancée. Her name is Amara. She died in my arms.
My fiancée, Amara, died in my arms. We were happy together, and I never knew she was suffering from an illness, end-stage pulmonary hemorrhagic syndrome, a rare and incurable condition that causes sudden internal bleeding and vomiting of blood. She never told me because she didn't want me to worry or get hurt. But one day, while we were together, her sickness suddenly attacked. I panicked as I held her, watching her cough while struggling to breathe. At that moment, I realized that since her illness was incurable, there was nothing I could do to save her, no matter how tightly I held her or how hard I begged her to stay.
I decided na hindi na magpalapit sa akin ng mga tao. Feelings makes me weak. Loves destroy.
Love doesn't destroy you, Gabriel. Lost did. And shutting people out won't bring her back. You saved me once. But maybe letting someone save you isn't such a bad thing.
Why? Why do you care so much?
Because someone once told me that life is worth saving. At ikaw yun.
I remember you, Kenna. I always did. Pero, hindi ko na alam kung paano umpisahan. I don't know how to start my feelings again.
Then, let's turn together.
Thank you, Kenna.
Ang mga babae niya, nakapag-save lang ng isang patient sa parang special. Pasikat siya kayo, masyado siyang dino. Yung diba nag-nurse na lang kasi gusto mo na ako.
Sino yung sabi niyan?
Marinig ko pa na may lang iyan ni Nurse Kenna. Sisiguraduhin ko di kayo makakatungkol sa hospital na ito. She saved life last night. She is one of the most capable nurses in here. And she is not someone who can love. Apologize to her.
Sorry to. Sorry to.
Hindi mo naman na kailangan gawin.
Kailangan ko. You changed everything. You reminded me how to feel, how to care, and how to live again. I pushed you away back then because I was scared. Pero, mas natatakot ako ngayon na mawala ka.
Gabriel.
I'm thankful na bumalik ka sa buhay ko. Hindi bilang isang pasyente, not as someone chasing fantasy, but as you.
Thank you for choosing to stay this time.
I remember everything about you, Kenna. And I don't want to forget ever again.
Sir, ay po yung result ng anak mo. Nasaan po yung mami nito?
Trisha, Han!
Ma! Love! Kain tayo!
Nakapan.
Ano yun?
Tara, kain na tayo.
Ang tanging kahinaan at lumilipas ang sa